Clearing all data stored by Android System Intelligence on the Galaxy S24 helps free up storage, remove outdated information, and improve system performance. To get started, tap the Home button to return to the home screen. From there, swipe down from the top of the screen and tap the Settings icon. In the Settings menu, scroll down and select Security and Privacy. Once you're in this section, scroll further down to the Privacy section. Next, look for More Privacy Settings and tap on it. Here you'll find the Android System Intelligence option. Tap to open it. Now select Clear Data. A pop-up menu will appear, giving you the option to clear data from the last hour, the last 24 hours, or all time. Simply choose the option that works best for you, then tap Clear Data to complete the process, and that's it. You've successfully cleared data for Android System Intelligence. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips and tutorials.